Triad Ruvo RLC steel door light cutter. This video will help you get the maximum benefit from your Triad machine. Triad machines are built for long, dependable operation. Details about safety, operation, and maintenance of the RLC are contained in this manual. Always refer to this video for detailed information about the machine, safety, maintenance, and service. If you are unsure about the true use of the Triad products, a Triad representative should be contacted. Various pinch points may be inherent to the operation of this machine. Always wear hearing protection and eye protection devices, including eye shields, when working in the vicinity of the machine. Some potential discharge from the machine's cutting tools should and can be expected. Only operate the machine with materials laid up for cutting. Do not cycle the machine without material completely in place. Never crawl underneath the machine or reach under any of the cutters. Before loading a door into the RLC steel door light cutter, the table width must be adjusted to the appropriate door width. Use the table width in and out buttons to adjust the opening, and use the door width guide as a reference. Before loading a door into the light cutter, the end stop must be activated. Once the stop is up, the door can now be loaded onto the machine. Roll the door completely onto the machine until the top of the door rests securely against the stop. Use the table width in button to clamp the door in place. Once the door is clamped, activate the door clamp switch to activate the toggle clamps to hold the door securely. Prior to doing the edge prep on the door, ensure that the locating collars are properly adjusted. Use the right-hand edge of the collar in reference to the scale, which refers to the top of the door. If it is not correct, adjust using an Allen wrench. Move edge prep unit into position and hook the catch on your first locating collar. Once hooked, move the edge prep unit to the left until it comes against its own stop. Activate the clamp. Turn on the router and move router into the cut. Once into the cut, lock the handle and move the router in a clockwise fashion. Deactivate router, deactivate air clamp, move edge prep unit to the right until it hits its secondary stop, reclamp, activate the drill, advance lever to drill the hole. Deactivate drill. Before cutting a lock bore, adjust the lock bore template to the appropriate hole size by pulling the guide pin, rotating the template to the appropriate hole, and reinserting the pin. Hit the clamp and move the cutter head into position. Once in position, activate the cutter by hitting the cutter down push button. Move cutter in a clockwise fashion until the bore is cut. Activate cutter up. And unclamp template. Use the blow nozzle provided to clear the area. In order to adjust the light stops, the first step would be to position the head into one of the corners of your rectangular cutout by either using a template or referencing the embossments on the door. Once in position, activate the light stops push button on the arm. Now place the light stop for the width in a desired position and move the stop block until it is seated firmly against the stop cylinder pin. Secure the stop with an Allen wrench. A chart has been provided if you wish to jot down the light position as a reference. In a similar fashion, move the horizontal stop into its desired position. Once the top corner has been set, reposition the cutter head to the other corner of the opening and in like fashion adjust its stops.